Good evening, teacher and peers. This course is material design for face-to-face environments. The activity is task 2. My name is Herman Darío Caicedo Restrepo. I'm going to tell you about the customs and traditions from Medellin, what is the city when I am living this moment. Medellin is a beautiful city, but the customs are from country people, principally for country people. Each year, in the first week of August, we have the most important festivity in the city. This is the flower fair. Yes. In all generations, the country people went back from the mountains to the downtown of the city with a chair tied up in your back. In this chair, they carry flowers, fruits, inclusive sick people or very old people from your farms by really difficult routes to the city to send your products for your farm. In commemoration of this activity, each year we have the flower fair. Then the new generations go back with a chair in your back. It's called silleta, with beautiful flowers and forms. Another typical food in the city is the paisa tribe. Paisa tribe is a very complete plate. You can see we have rice, pork skin, one egg, one sausage, corn is like an grilled omelette of grains of corn, one slice of avocado, in ground beef, and the most important ingredient is the beans. And it's really a big plate. It's delicious, but it's not so healthy because have a lot of fat. Maybe will be the name for a cardiologist or a nutritionist, but it's delicious. Another important tradition for Antioquia, especially for the small villages or towns, is the muleters. We call it in Spanish arrieros. This is a muleter. Is country people that go back from your farms in the mountains, carry a lot of articles like milk, wood, maybe coffee, fruits, all that they produce in your farms, and carry by the villages or from the cities in your mulas. This was an important activity all time ago, but it's a beautiful tradition. Yes, beautiful tradition for this herd. Another important tradition is the minstrels, or how is called trovadores. These people that only with an musical instrument like a guitar, this is a guitar, and your voice and your brain, they make up verses, or it's called trovas, with fun content. Yes, they speak about jokes or especially jokes are fun situations. It's very fun. I enjoy a lot these verses. It's an important cultural tradition for this earth. This man dressed the typical dresses from Antiochia's people, like the hat, a white shirt and dark pants. Maybe one this is a belt from a leather bag. It's called I don't remember. It's called carriel, and very important, the machete or bowie knife is from work in the country. It's very important in the dress of country people in Antioquia. Another important celebration, special occasion here in Medellin is in the month of December. Each December in Christmas, the city is full of Christmas lights. All the city, especially the river and the touristic places or places of interest touristic, we have lots, maybe millions of lights what are decorating the city. It's really beautiful. Yes, this is the most important information about my city, customs and traditions. Thanks a lot for watching, and please answer the 5 questions. Goodbye.